On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What's going on? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Hopefully we're all having a wonderful day. Let's get it on. Bitcoin's ripping to the upside. We got news coming out in 12 minutes. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let's check this price out. What's going on? Lot more crypto. Guile, Sibel, forget about it. Darren is lurking and working, baby. John Foster, crypto. Lot more crypto. Max, good morning to you. Easy C, how's it going? Tony Soprano, what's going on, bro? Good to see you guys. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Are we looking to get long here? What's going on? We got some news coming out in about 12 minutes, so hold your horses. Fix your hair. I'm getting a haircut today, okay? Like I've done the dad thing long enough where I'm like, okay, it's justifiable to look like an old geezer. It's justifiable, okay? Like my son will be a month old tomorrow, okay? Let's read a dad joke just for him. Just for him, okay? Why did the singer bring a bucket with her? So she could carry a tune. These are getting bad, man. These are getting bad. So she could carry a tune. I don't think so. Why do crabs never share? Because they're shellfish. These are end of the book, man. End of the book, they've totally, like, they were good in the beginning. Like, if we go to the beginning, let's read, like, the fourth one. Why did the pony ask for a cup of water? Because he was a little horse. See? See? A little horse, you know? That's better, right? My God. What do you call it when a prisoner takes his own mugshot? A selfie. I don't know. I think we got to write the author of this book. I think we should write the author. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? We're flagging out right here, looking to pump. Whoo, let's take a look. They're getting worse and worse. I don't blame people for unsubscribing here. Looking for the potential short. This has been overnight rip city. Look at the volume that came in. Okay, so look at the volume. This is so important sometimes to take a look at the volume. My God. Remember I said to pay yourselves early, right? I gave you guys the idea of direction last night. We wanted to see this breakout in the Discord. And it went, and then it came back, and then it really went. Okay, so not an easy environment. Remember, wrecking. Look at this. We caught that beautiful little long yesterday, and then it rolled over, and then chop, boom, to the upside, okay? Rip it to the upside. Now we got retail sales coming out. I believe it's retail sales. Yeah, retail sales coming out at 8:30. So we got 8 minutes till retail sales. We'll see what happens here. We're flagging out a little bit, looking for. I mean, I don't want to fight this trend. I'll be straight up with you guys. Like this is strong. Like you can see volume. Okay, you come in, you grab liquidity, like boom, because everybody's trading that breakout retest here. So there's a breakout retest that came in here. They're trying to get long here. It kept going, retested the lows, and then boom, boom, boom. Okay, so look at the volume coming in too. Every time you dip, boom, volume comes in. Push. Volume's coming out right now. Wow, what a move. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. I love it. That's better. Thank you, Peter Pan. I mean, somebody had to have a better dad joke because that book is embarrassing. Good morning, Crypto Josh. Good morning, Buck. How we all doing? Good to see you guys. Got a couple areas that I'm interested. Liquidity down in here. Swing high up top here. Order block in here. Okay. Not going to take a trade until we see what happens with retail sales. We'll let it bounce around. I know Face is in a long. Crypto Face is in a long from like here, $8 million, whatever. You know, just doing his thing. He's doing his thing. He's back, baby. So, I mean, crushing it. So, see if we can follow suit. See if we can find you guys some trades today, and hopefully we do. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a push up here, which is interesting. Massive moves, man. Like this market is starting to move. It wants to do something, right? We got the interest rates coming tomorrow, or the hikes, or the cuts. I mean, I can't even speak English today. I can't speak it in English. Okay, let's take a look here. Are we coming up to our golden pocket? It looks like a golden pocket retracement level. Let's take a quick look here. Oop. Oh yeah. Okay. So maybe we expect something like this, right? Something like that. I mean, Bitcoin does like a 786 though, and that would be retesting the highs over here. So patience, we're at a retracement level, so it's nothing. Remember, retail. What is retail doing? They're long in this, right? Retail is being like, I missed the boat. So I got to get in on this, right? Bitcoin's going to 70,000. Retail's like, man, I didn't get long here. I got to get long here. I'm going to buy the damn top. No, man. No, don't be that person. Please. Please don't buy the top yet. Let's wait for confirmation. Breakout, retrace, continuation, something like that. Before we long the top, okay? We don't want to be putting ourselves in a position like that, okay? Our 4 hours pointing down, or no, 4 hours pointing up. The higher term time frames are pointing down, but there is a bit of hopium here. This daily is holding on for dear life. We got the 3-day and the 4-day hammer or shooting star candles, and they didn't really do much, okay? So look at that candle. Nothing. So you can't always trade off of the candle pattern, but you can use it as confluence, right? We want to stack as much confluence as possible. That's going to be key. Okay? Key in anything. The one looks like it's curving over. The 2 hour looks like it's curving over. VWAP's resetting, then bounce possibly later on. 4 hours still got room to the upside. VWAP's a little overextended. Okay, Jesus take the wheel. Remember we talked about Jesus take the wheel yesterday, right? We said this is a Jesus take the wheel with a very strong tricep, right? The Jesus take the wheel, strong tricep pattern worked out, okay? Hey, we said Jesus take the wheel. We're coming, so CF still streaming. Gonna have good thing I got 2 ears. Let's go, Robert Massey. He's double dipping, baby. He's double dipping. Mad love to you, Robert. Hope you're having a good day. All right. All right. This looks like it wants to continue. I mean, do you really want to counter trade CF? Nah, not really. Not really. Come on. 3 minutes till the news. 3 minutes till the news. Maybe it'll give us an opportunity. See, this is just creating liquidity though, like on the way up here, like liquidity, 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 liquidity. Okay. So a little bit of patience, a little bit of patience. Let's let the market kind of figure itself out first right now. Right, with this news, let's see what happens. I don't think it'll be big, but maybe a breakout retest continuation. Okay, so let's wait. Got to be patient here. How many times do I tell you guys to be patient? Maybe we should have a patient meter. I think it's almost like I'm trying to tell myself to be patient. What about liquidity grab up to 60? Yeah, 61,200 is like a very big liquidity zone. 61,200, Board Whale Club. Thanks for being here, bro. Yeah, we were looking at that as well yesterday, how most of it's up at 70,000, but there is definitely some at that 61,200 area, so we could be coming for that because we never really did. We got it marked out up here. Ooh-wee, that big pink zone. Okay. And if we're looking at the heat map here, we can see big old liquidity above us. Look at that big, huge, pink, beautiful sun rays of gorgeousness. 60,800. Yeah, a lot of people getting short going into this, right? So a nice bottoming structure here, and then pow, back up. Okay, so interesting enough. I just don't want to be scalping the news here. I don't want to be scalping the news. Don't want to be buying the tops or scalping the news. Big momentum to the upside. We got 30 seconds till this news comes out. Where are we here? Retail sales. Retail sales. Okay, we got U.S. retail sales. It's forecasted to come in negative 0.3. We should see how the dollar reacts as well. So let's go Dixie. We got 20 seconds. Can we get it prepared? Oh, yeah, we can. Okay. Dollar's bottoming out here. We want to see the dollar die. I'm sorry to say, but we want to see it die. That's bullish, right? Bullish dollar. Okay. We wait here, we wait here, we wait here. We'll see how price reacts. Retail sales coming in. Bam, bam, bam. We can't see shit. 0.1. So it came below. It came below. 0.1. 0.1. Nothing burger. 0.1. Oh, dumping. Are we pumping? 0.1. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Okay. Nothing burger. Remember, rate cuts tomorrow. That's what's really happening right now. Like, this is just rate cuts is coming tomorrow. That's not really like, they're like retail sales. Who gives a about what you're selling, man? Who gives a about what you're selling? Coming in under forecast. Okay, so 0.3 forecasted. Oh wait, negative 0.3. Let's take another look. Maybe we look a little bit more diligently here. Retail sales, negative 0.3. So it came above. It came above. Okay? Came above. So it was negative 0.3, and it came above. Over the previous months, retail sales month over month. Okay. Okay, so I mean, whatever data or data, I'm a data, so whatever data they want to give us, I mean, this did come above. Forecast negative 0.3. Sorry about that. We'll see how the market reacts. I mean, the thing is okay, we're ripping here, so we could be looking for a little bit of a retracement. The thing is that right now, it's all about the rate cuts, baby. It's all about the rate cuts, and no one really gives a crap about what people are selling. Okay? No one really cares about what they're selling. Okay, we're gonna remain patient here. Let's see where we're at. Top-down analysis, all that good stuff. We'll see if we potential trade here or short. I'm not sure if I want to short just yet. I would like to see us come up to this area, and here we know the golden pocket is above us, okay? We can just put a big old golden pocket above us, just so we know this, okay? So that would naturally, look, we've got a golden pocket sandwich right now, okay? We got a golden pocket sandwich, and we're close to the buns up here, right? We're close to the buns where we can look for this thing to possibly come back down, whoop, whoop, something like this. We'll see, okay? But we got a golden pocket sandwich right now. I'm definitely looking for a short because we are overextended. I'm looking for a short. Sorry to say it, CF, but I'm looking for a short, man. I'm probably going to eat my shorts saying that. He's probably pumping the market right now. But yeah, I want to see an SFP above here, and I would like to see us come for some liquidity down below here. Okay, so we got our ideas. We're going to be prepared. Scalp setup. Make sure that we're already here. VWAP's, oof, look at that. VWAP's way below us here. Flagging out here. No real direction. Decided. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, okay. Breakout Bitcoin. Come on. Come up to this level up in here. I'll be shorting you. 59,400. 59,400. Looking for a short. 59,400. Come on, Bitcoin. Come to me. Come to daddy already. Already you want to give me the short? I don't mind, bro. I don't mind. What's going on? Is it Michael or is it Mikhail? I wish I knew how to say your name, man. I'm just going to call you Michael. Country Keith is in the building, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Country, what's going on? I thought it was Courtney Keith. Now we're a Country Keith, man. That's awesome. What's going on? Oh, man. Oh, that's great. Swing fail up. Let's see if we can get up here. He's got the same plan. Awesome, Board Whale Club. See, you got to have a plan, execute the plan. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. I ordered a new foam piece for my microphone because this one's like from beatboxing. This thing is absolutely like, it's starting to get hard. Is that disgusting? It's starting to get hard. So I've cleaned it a couple times, but this is starting to get grime. It smells like coffee. I ordered a new one. Okay, it's coming on Thursday, I think. But the mic foam needs to be replaced. I got an orange one. Is that okay for Bitcoin? I got an orange one. Yeah. I'll just stay back and talk. Tim said shorts were most likely bear traps this morning. I'm going to add to my short and see if we get some more towards the The pirate money. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we all like pirate money. We all like pirate money. So I think this can break up, but for me, an SFP rate like this is unsustainable. This is, and you know, people are longing in here. Retail's longing now. Like Crypto Face is long from down here. He's a G. He's making money. He's paying himself. He knows how to trade. But retail is just like, oh my god, Face is long. I should get long. Now, I'm not counter trading Face. What I'm doing is taking all retail's stupidity and trying to counter trade them, because I'm not looking for a big old swing trade. I'm looking for this, right? If anything, and then if it keeps going, then happy days. Okay, we'll see. There's some signs of weakness. Anchor trigger here, 12-minute. 12-minute. Oh, this money is ramping, man. Look at the money here. Ooh, we could get a big push into this into the rate cuts. We could get a big push just to kind of like stimulate Bitcoin, so that if it does crash, that we're higher up, so it doesn't do so much damage on the way down. It could be the case, but I'm not convinced on that shit. Okay? I'm not convinced on that shit. Overextended. Here, if we swing up quickly, we give a bear div here. Swing up quickly into a key level. Bearish divergence. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Bearish divergence. Okay. 371. 59, 371. I don't normally take the knife catching. We were coming up with some names for a reverse knife catch yesterday. What did we decide on? Was it a rocket? What is a inverse knife catch? When it goes up versus down? Knife catch? What is this one? What is this one? Tell me, guys, in the chat. I need to know what a reverse knife catch is. Inverse knife catch. Is this flying dildo? The razor burn? Changing the light bulb? We had the changing the light bulb, okay? That was a pretty good light bulb, I think. The slippery banana. Woo! Slippery. It's like, that's got Mario Kart vibes on it. Yahoo! Oh, man. Oh, man. Catching the soap when it shoots out of your hand and you're like, ooh, woo, woo, woo. You guys are nasty. The moon knife. Okay. What if we call it like the ShamWow or something like that? Whatever happened to ShamWow guy? Did he get ShamWowed himself? Didn't he go to jail? ShamWow? That guy who did those commercials? ShamWow. Does anybody know what happened to ShamWow? Inverse knife catch. Okay. The rocket knife. You guys kill me. We could get some bear divs if we push up here quickly. I mean, this trend is just holding strong. Throwing knife, falling knife. Yeah. Rocket knife. Wick's wife. How about the Jack Burton reflex? What? You guys are crazy, man. I love you. You guys are crazy. The 24. Oh, man. VWAP crossover. This looks bullish, man. Look at this. Look at this ramping here of VWAP. Money's just coming in hard as we flip through. 45-minute red dot. 90-minute. Or wait, 1 hour first. 1 hour. A little bit over a. We'll call drop the soap. Yeah, we could do drop the soap. I think I think if I'm live streaming and you haven't been here and I'm saying, "Oh, look, it's a drop the soap pattern." I don't know if people would subscribe though. Like if you are new here, we don't necessarily always talk about dropping the soap, okay? We're here, we make money, we crush it. We had a great trade yesterday and then it reversed on us. We took our money, we paid ourselves. We jumped into the short later. Okay, so we've been crushing it quite often on these live streams. I'm really enjoying doing them. We got lots of room here on our 2 hour or 1 hour. 1 hour is rolling over a little bit. Our 3 hour, our 4 hour still's got lots of room. Our 8 hours trigger waving. This is a beauty one. Look at the 8 hour trigger wave. Oh, this is sexy. Look at the money coming in. VWAP trigger wave. This is bullish. Okay, this if you want to see bullish on market cipher, you see oscillating above the 0 line, coming back down, green dot at the 0 line, VWAP crossing over, 50% line crossing up. Oh man, this is as sexy as a reversal can be on the 8 hour, but it's only one time frame, right? You can't just base it all on one time frame. It's not one time frame to rule them all. Okay, we're not playing that game. Okay, we're not playing that game. That takes 8 hours. That takes 8 hours to play out. Okay, 8 hours. I'm gonna keep this on the 15. The 15, we got a green dot here trying to push up. VWAP crossover to the upside. Ooh-wee. Grabbing mosquito balls with boxing gloves on. You guys kill me, man. You guys kill me. Let's do the grabbing mosquito balls with boxing gloves on. I don't have that emoji. Is there a boxing glove emoji? There's got to be an emoji for it. We could call it like the lightning bolt, maybe? No. This would be appropriate. Something like this. Like that would be the level. The cloud would be the level, and that would be rejection there. That would be appropriate. Maybe I'll start using emojis in my trade signals, and if you guys want signals and an amazing community, come over to our Discord. A little segue here before we, a little segue. If you want to come and hang out with us in the Discord, we got a free section and $1 a day section. $20 a month, pretty sweet. TA all the way around. Kyle's just dropping the alpha lately, man. He's just on an alpha dropping spree. We got live streams. We got a whole bunch of good stuff, man. It's an incredible group of people working together, making money. Here we come. We're coming up. Oh man, get back to the chart, Alex. Get back to the chart. Here it comes. SFP, baby. SFP me, baby. SFP me. SFP me, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. 59,400. A little bit higher. You got it. Don't you dare. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, Bitcoin. Push. You got it. And this looks scary bullish, man. I don't know. Don't fight the Fed. We got the lightning bolt up here. Whew. Here it comes. Ooh, getting scary. Here comes the... What is this? Change the light bulb pattern. Change the light bulb pattern. Are we going to change it or not? Make up your mind. We're looking for the change the light bulb pattern here. Dixie's ripping. Getting rejected now. Ooh, I want to short this. Don't be shorting this, Alex O Crypto. Make sure you use your stop loss. Ooh, now we coming down. Are you really gonna do that to me? You're gonna tease me like that? We have swept the highs. We are coming back down. If we come back down, we can look for the lower low retest. Okay, this is not over. If we sweep the highs, we come down. We can look for the retest. Okay, if we break the lows here. Okay, this is not over until the fat lady sings. This is not over. That's the thing. You don't have to be overly. That's the safe version of this trade. Okay, this is riskier. The safe version of this trade would be this. Okay. Come on, baby. You still got a little bit of umph in you. I see you. I see you. Come on, Bitcoin. I sound southern today. Safe is lame. I need the rush. You guys kill me, man. You guys are absolute legends. Thank you for being here, smashing those like buttons. Let's see if we can get 110 today. 110 likes. That would be incredible. We got 100 people in here already. There's no reason why you can't press back on your phone and press the damn like button. I mean, we're here to help you be profitable, to help you trade alongside someone who's trading every day. You know, I think the like button deserves a little slap from you guys. Slap. Yeah, you got it. You got it, man. You got those digits. You can press, you can click, you can press it, you could do whatever you need to do to that button, man. But I appreciate you guys. Now, we got to make this poll. We got to make this poll. We got to make this poll. What are the rate cuts going to be? Janet Yellen says 75. Some people are saying 50. Some people are saying 25. No one can make a damn decision in this country below us. In Canada, it's even worse. So we want to. I'm still patriotic, okay? I still love Canada. I like hockey. I like maple syrup. I like moose. I like our beautiful women. Not. My wife's British. Forget about those Canadian women. You want to meet the most stuck-up ladies in the world, go to Toronto. Go to Toronto. I tell you. I have the best wife in the world, and she's from England, okay? She's from England. She's a pommy, as they would say. Alex, you trade on BloFin, right? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I do mostly swing trades on BloFin due to the fact of it's a newer exchange. It's non-KYC. It's great. We have a cashback deal down below. However, the liquidity for scalping is not as... It's just not as quick when I want to get in and out of positions. BloFin I use a lot for more swing trades, holding positions longer. It's always important to have multiple exchanges, right? So I can differentiate between a BloFin account and a BingX account. I use both exchanges, but it's definitely a good exchange for non-KYC. And it's something I use too. So I use it to swing and to... I'm a swinger, baby. To swing and to scalp, I use BingX for scalping. And both of them, we have a deal on both of them if you want. I don't have my little market cipher. Oh, there's my... Okay, sorry. I forgot to show you guys that, Market Cipher sponsors this channel. CryptoFace himself. I mean, I feel blessed to be part of the Market Cipher family as well. I mean, he just put me on. He saw me on Trading Wars and he's just like, "Hey, we're gonna bring you on, all right? We're gonna bring you on." But she is 2% native. Uh-oh. Who's native? Vancouver women are awful too. Pasty white woman is where it's at, bro. For sure. she is quite pale, but I love her. I mean, I'm part Italian, so I have the olive skin, so hopefully that it counterbalances for my son. But yeah, this is painful, my friends. People are longing this hard, eh? People are longing this hard right now. The momentum is real. Okay. We got our little thunderstorm up here. We'll see if I want to see that sweep though. I want to see the punch of volume. Pow. Punch of volume. Then we get short. If we get it. We got a lot of volume coming in right now. Like a lot of volume. Let's go into our 5 minute. Look at the volume. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's coming in. They're trying to push this price up. Then they're going to tear it down on everyone's heads. That's my thought. That's my thought right now. I'm not trying to get... Natalie is colored and Gabriel is white as shit. Will not hold my breath. Ooh, push now, Bitcoin. Push right into resistance. Right into it. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. You got it? Come on, Bitcoin. Push. A little bit more. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. A little bit more. You can do it. You can do it. A little bit more. A little bit more. You got it? You got it? You got it? Push. Come on, push, Bitcoin. Are you for real? You're not going to leave me behind there. Let's see. Let's see. We might get another push up. Might get another push up. Jeez, that was ugly. We didn't get that oomph. You know, that oomph we talked about. Want to see that oomph. Come on. Okay, we're coming back. We're coming back. I want to see the oomph, Bitcoin. Oomph, 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 oomph. Got vectors all the way to 60,300. Woo! Recovery of the vector candle, mate. Recovery of the vector candles. All the way up to here. 60,000. Oh, yeah. Was that on 2 hour, 3 hour? What are we looking at there, sniper? Oh, yeah. I see you. Pushing again. Pushing again. This is up here. I want to see that. I want to see that oomph, you know? There's no oomph so far. It's just very flat. And we still got market open in half an hour. There's no oomph yet. You know what I mean? On the 1 hour, yeah. Alex, jump in a short until around 59,600 range. Trust me on this one. Okay. Courtney, Country Keith says don't jump in 59,600. Yeah. It's up here. We are in golden pocket at a key level of resistance. I want to see the liquidity grab though. I haven't seen liquidity grab yet. So there's no reason to jump in yet. We know what that looks like, right? We saw it yesterday where you stall out, then you do bang, right? And you get that bear div on a short-term time frame. That's what we're looking for. Right now, it's like, we'll see. We'll see. Bang, right? So my future indicator is saying, you got a crystal ball there, Country Keith. I love it. I love it. I got to get me one of those. That's cool. Rules Crypto, I got long strat alert at bottom 30-minute candle yesterday. Great job, man. Great job, Rules Crypto. I love seeing you win. I'm going to get myself a Country Keith and just bring him over and we can trade together, bro. Chad Wicks Racing. I'm in on CoinX 59.4. Woo-wee. 59.4. Oh, man. We're not ready yet. Hold the door, man. Hold the door. Good morning, Alexandra G's in the chat. What's going on? Let's see some Alexandra G emojis. Thank you guys for being here. We got 110 people in here. 45 likes. Let's keep cranking those likes. The goal is to get 110 today. Can we get to 110? We'll have to see. We'll wait and see what is meant to be. Okay? I'm looking for the short here, but not jumping in just yet. We want confirmation, friends. We want confirmation. We're not just going to go willy-nilly into this degenerate world and hopefully catch a short here. Okay? We want to be patient. We are at a key level of resistance. We are at a golden pocket. Not saying it's going to happen here, but there is probabilities for it to happen here. Okay, but we are in an aggressive uptrend, as you can see here, into our golden pocket. We could be looking to come to our 59.7 mark at our 786. However, as we've pushed up here, all we've done is create liquidity on the way up. Okay, so just a bit of patience. Okay, just a bit of patience. I would love to see like a return back down to 59.8. 59.8 would be jolly good to me. Okay, would be jolly good. Okay, there's people longing this right now. If you are longing this, I don't know if we can be friends. I don't know if we can be friends. If you're pressing buy right here, I mean, you are on your own. You are on your own. You could have longed down here, but you are on your own, my friend. This is short territory, right? We are on the upper side of the button. Whew, we're rolling over now, baby. Let's go. Roll over. Don't make me go short on your ass. Ooh-wee. Don't make me go short on your ass. Going short on you. Going short on you. Revisit the highs here. Bounce. I might take a stab. I'm getting a little antsy. Whoo, check myself. I gotta check myself. Whoo. You gotta make the whoo noise. Check yourself. Don't just jump in willy-nilly. Okay? We ain't here to be willy-nillys. I'm looking for a short. Am I crazy? Probably. I'm probably crazy, but that's all right. We got bear divs here. We got bear divs on our 12, our 15, our 18, our 24 green dot. That's nasty. That could wreck us. That could wreck us if we get short here just now. We got to be patient. Patience pays. Patience pays. Oh, man. I don't like it. I don't like it just yet. This thing, it looks like it just wants to friggin'. It looks like it wants to tank. It doesn't mean it's gonna, but it looks like it wants to tank. It looks like it wants to tank. We'll see. We'll see. Now it's flattening out. 9 o'clock, a little bit of news pump. Okay. A little bit of news pump. We'll see if it can. If it can, and it will. We're looking for this short. It's still laddering up. We got bearish divergence. It doesn't, the divs aren't diving. Okay. As we come up here, we're making higher highs and lower lows. Many a time. Okay. And the divs aren't diving. So you don't want to just trade basic on divs. The reason why we're looking for a short here is simply because we have a golden pocket. We have a volume level of resistance. We have an uptrend that has been very unsustainable. Right? No real big retracement within this move up. Okay, nothing like this. It's just been wee. Look at the trend line. Look how aggressive that trend line is. Okay? Giving us the idea that, hey, before we continue, could we come back and then bounce? Okay? Now, that's not necessarily true, but we're patient. We're patient. Face is long. Yeah, we know face is long, but face is long. Okay, let's be realistic. We know face is long, and face is long from here. Okay, he is making the moolah. Okay, we are not trying to capture this move. Okay, we are not counter trading him. We are looking for this move. Okay, this has moved up. We are looking for this move and this move. Face is right. He is in that long 4 hour. Jesus hold the wheel. Okay, beautiful Jesus take the wheel. Trigger wave, money flow coming in, continuation up. Okay, there's no two different trading styles, right? Two different trading styles. I'm looking for breadcrumbs. Face captures the whole roast beef dinner. Okay, I want breadcrumbs. I just want a little bit of garlic toast. Okay, I don't need a big old Sunday roast. Roast is nice. Every now and then I catch a nice roast. But most of the time, I'm just here for the cheesy garlic bread, man. That extra 4 cheese garlic bread, you know, a little Parmesan on the top, right? Maybe a little bruschetta, right? And that's it, okay? Trade your environment. Robert Jones says, look at the 15 minutes. Okay, let's look, my man. Good to see you, Robert Jones. Thank you for being part of the Otter fam, bro. Ramping. Bear divs. Overextended. Let's throw those EMAs on. I know you like the EMAs. We're holding the 9 and the 21 all the way up here. Okay. We are above the 200. We are above the 200. So can we return to the 200? That would be cool. If we, bear div, come down, return to the 200, and then bounce up. Right? Okay. Very interesting. We'll see. We're stalling out here. So they're trapping traders is what they're doing right now. They're trapping them like Pokemon. They're trapping them like Pokemon. Okay. I'm waiting for a confirmation on this short. If we start breaking structure down below, okay, I will look for the retest. I will look for this. Okay. Whoop, boop, boop, boop. Look at that support and resistance level though. That's pretty banger, right? I give these levels out to the Otter Gang family. I mean, look at this, man. I'm sorry I was off by $2 or whatever it was. Ooh wee. We can at least come down here, bounce up. It's these lows. I would like to see these lows. I know this is being like nitpicky, but I would like to see this low taken. Then I'm looking for that short. If this, then that, right? If this, then that. If this, then that. Got to have a plan. Execute the plan, right? I can also look for the SFP up here. If we get the surge, remember, if we get the whoosh, right? Then I can mark it in on the whoosh like we did yesterday. We didn't get a whoosh here, okay? We didn't get that volume like massive push, right? We're looking for that massive push on volume, right? We didn't get that big sweeping light bulb move, right? We still need a falling knife reversal name, okay? We have changing the light bulb that's on the table, right? So we have the light bulb up here and the squigglies, right? You get the bearish divergence. We have the razor burn. I don't know why it's a razor burn, but we have that on the table too. VWAP is way below us, Tony. VWAP is down here. 58.5 VWAP. 58.6 for VWAP. Okay. You're not longing this. That's all I know. So we got to favor the short. Got to favor the short. I might take a little nibble here. I'm going to get in a quarter position maybe. Maybe not. I don't like my decision-making skills so far today. I got to reset. Got to take a look at our long-term time frames here, okay? Let me take a look. We've pushed up. We are coming up to key level of resistance, okay? We have a beautiful 4-hour money flow coming in, okay? Reset. It's always important to reset, okay? Nice push up here. We grabbed liquidity here. We did not come down here. Okay. V-shaped recovery on the table. Coming back to here, retesting the lows. It could come a little bit higher. 8-hour looks bullish. We just printed 8. The 8 hours coming in. Okay. Soon. 12-hour. Ooh, VWAP crossover 2. The daily is dirty. Money flow coming out. Anchor trigger. Daily is dirty. Wants to roll over on VWAP here for today after a nice push. Okay. 5-hour. What do we got? 2 5-hour candles. VWAP's overextension. Okay, so that's a good sign for a short, right? This could flatten out this wave here. You can see how sometimes the waves, they flatten out. See how spiky this is, and then it flattens out. Okay, this could flatten out and then come down. Okay, this is overextended. That would give me that idea. Okay, I like the short's looking more juicy here. 4-hour, look how overextended that is. Yeah. If we get something like, even if this is aggressive, that's still 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's still 12 hours. So that's midday that this continues up. That's telling me midday this is going to continue. Yeah, because that would give me this, and that would be a perfect zero line bounce with momentum coming in. Yeah, that would be midday. So we're looking at around 4 to 8 o'clock, around there. That would be the bounce on the 2. The 2 here. The 2 hour has room, but we're curving down. So this would give me less time, money flow coming in. Okay. Got a nice little double bottom here. I like these. These are nice. I like this. This is very sexy. This is a nice double anchor. I don't know what you would call this. This would be the ultimate udders. We'll call this the ultimate udder pattern. This is actually really nice. Okay. I'm reset now. All right, we came down a little bit more. Now we're pushing. Okay. The 2 hour ultimate udders are pushing us up. Money flow crossover, VWAP over extension. Looking for a reversal down. Yeah, 1 hour coming out. So VWAP bounces here. That would be juicy. VWAP still has quite a bit of time. We still have 45 minutes on VWAP. This looks like it's coming out. This is rolling over. Money flow is still red, flattening. Yeah. So this looks like it's coming down. This looks like it's coming down to about noon, and then we're going to see some fireworks. The 4 hour fireworks. I think I'm going to make that call. We had the Jesus take the wheel, but the Jesus VWAP bounce and anchor or momentum wave crossover. This is going to be juicy right here. That's what I'll call for later today. Yes. We'll call this for later. That's the juicy spot here, but we're coming down for today, for this morning at least. We're coming down. That's the thought. Like it or love it, whatever. We're coming down to VWAP. That's the idea. Position yourself accordingly, friends. Okay, I'm reset. Are you guys reset? We got 103 people in here and only 54 likes, guys. Ooh-wee. You guys are incredible. Mrs. Otter made my coffee this morning, and she's spot on. Can it make a higher high? Absolutely. We didn't see the sweep we wanted. We've trapped longs up top here. I don't care what you say. People long this. If you long the top, put a 1 in the chat. Let me talk to you. If you long the top, let me talk to you, please. Please let me talk to you. I'm in a half position, by the way. I'm short. Just letting you know. I'm going to take half off pretty soon. Going to take half off. Going to pay myself early. Pay myself in the morning. 148. 148. We'll go 148. 148. We'll take half off at 148. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. You're pushing down. Let's just take it off now. Come on down to the town. 181. You're gonna hit 181? Hit 181, baby. Oh, now you're gonna bounce up on me. Limit orders, man. Limit orders are sometimes a pain in the arse. I tell you that much right now. $191. You're gonna take 191. I know you want to take 191. No, you don't want to take 200. Oh, you nasty, man. You nasty, bro. It'll take 200. There we go. First take profit hit. Stop loss to entry, baby. We'll just keep the stop loss right above it. We'll keep the stop loss right above it. I had to reset. Reset. We're in the short. From 59, 370, baby. 59, 370 up in here. Up in this bish. Okay, we short. We short. It was pretty obvious. I don't care if we don't come down as far as I thought we would, but 370. Good little entry here. We're going to put the stop loss just above the little culo here, making sure we're targeting VWAP. We're targeting VWAP. Now, there's going to be another opportunity to possibly get into this. Okay, if we do bounce from here, we can look to add. Okay, we can look to add. Put the stop loss at 59,500. We'll keep it there, 59,500. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me. Holy balls. What's going on, Lunar Beaches Crypto? Are we short this morning, Lunar? Lunar, I am short as heck. I'm 5'4" on a good day. When I wear my Air Forces, I'm about 5'4.5", okay? Shout out to all the short kings there. Would you say a retest of the 618 would be safe for a lower high? Depends on where you're looking, Aaron. What lower high are you looking for? Are we looking out? Are we gandering out here on our higher term time frames here? I mean, we have a couple of levels here, areas. Our golden pocket down below here, retest to previous highs. That would be ideal. There is some liquidity throughout here, though, that we could bounce off of here. I'm not necessarily concerned about that. I would like to see us bounce off our 382. So if we're going to go from swing low to swing high, the 382 is kind of where VWAP is. That's 58.70. So I need a 382 box. Let's make a 382 box, okay? Template. We're going to make it, I don't know, green. We'll make it dark green. Oh, that's too dark. That's too dark. We got it. Yeah, we'll name it the 382. Okay. We'll make this bright green, okay? And then we're going to save this as a 382. 382s are very aggressive. 382s are very aggressive. So I would like to see us come down to at least a 382, which does match up with VWAP. And that would be an aggressive bounce, okay? That would be a continuation bounce where we're looking for this, okay? But we ain't long in the tops, guys. Come on. Come on. We ain't long. 59,268. 59. Oh, that's way up there. Okay. 59,268. Oh, wow. That's a little tight for me, my friend. Get this trend line on. You can see how well the trend line, if you're looking for a bounce, possibly this trend line, you lose this trend line, you're coming down. You still got an uptrend here. So this can still bounce from here and come back up. That's why we took some profits off. That's why we took some profits off. That's why we want to see this low loss. Now I want to see this low lost. Low lost. Okay. Really, I want to see the trend line loss. So if we're going in here, get rid of all this noise. Trend short. Where's trend small? Trend small. Where's my trend small? Am I blind? Where's trend small? Oh, maybe I deleted it. Shit. This would have been the long here, but coming back up. Looks like we want to come back up. We got 10 minutes until market opens. Okay, 10 minutes till market opens. We got bear divs here. Looking to come down to VWAP, which is down below us in here. Okay, we'll see if we do get that push down into our 382 box. Would be, there's liquidity right in here. Maybe we can turn it on, show you guys. Yeah, order block liquidity down below us. Okay, targeting down here. I don't know if we could just pump up right now. This is aggressive. Okay, this is aggressive. We're not trying to fight this. The Dixie indecision. We got retail sales this morning pushing up. That's bearish, but nonetheless, we're We're very, very low here on our Dixie, okay? Our Dixie is flaccid. So be very cautious here on what's going on. NASDAQ is ripping. NASDAQ's ripping. That's a good sign. We're gapping up, though. Gapping up on NASDAQ, which means we could come back to return to innocence down in here. Some enigma for you. If you know, you know. Okay. Okay. Get rid of this. Don't need that. Little bounce here. It's a nice bounce. It's a nice bounce. VWAP resetting. VWAP resetting. I mean, I could take this off and look to get in again. I mean, we could add to the short. There's a lot of options right now. A lot of options. I'm holding though. I'm holding, looking for this to come down, lose this support. Ooh-wee. The idea is the pump in the afternoon based on the 4-hour and the 3-hour and the 2-hour. The 1-hour looks bearish, looks toppy. VWAP crossover here. We still got 30 minutes on this. We got market open in 8 minutes. It's going to be interesting. Thank you for being here. 111 people in here. Wow. Welcome. Welcome to all you 111 beautiful people. Come and hang out in the Discord. That's where the alpha is, the omega, the awesomeness, okay? Whole bunch of people here helping each other, working together, making money, signals group, all that fun stuff. Not financial advice, but it is financial advice to help your future. You guys are posting memes like crazy lately. I don't know. Making fun of people. Come over and hang out with us. Stop loss to entry. Nick Musgrave in the short. Let's go, Nick. 109 people in here. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you guys for being here with me. You could be anywhere, but you're here with me. And that's beautiful. That's beautiful. We'll see if we're getting a little pushback here going into market open. Maybe I take this off, maybe I don't. I'm not sure yet. Stop loss is at 59.5. We have paid ourselves once, so this is basically a free trade. This is a free trade, yeah, absolutely. Aggressive, man. Aggressive buying of the Bitcoin. Wow. All right. We're coming back up, retesting here. Can this continue to push? We could have added there. I'm not trying to get overly exposed right now. Remember, we talk environment here. So the environment is Chop City. We're trying to wreck as many people as possible. So right now, they're wrecking the bears, right? They're pushing up, wrecking the bears. Then they're going to possibly wreck the bulls. When we look here, there's a lot of bulls to be wrecked. But first and foremost, we probably want to wreck the bears. So can this continue to push? It looks like it. However, we are at a very key level of resistance, okay? A very key level of resistance. There was a short squeeze just there. In my opinion, you just got a short squeeze. Okay? That would have been getting out the break-even traders. Okay? However, this trend line is holding strong, right? You got a little green dot here, got a little continuation possibly, but we're still in this. We won't let them shake us out that bad, okay? We got to remember, we've paid ourselves early. Okay? We've paid ourselves early. We're in profits. If we get knocked out, we get knocked out. We've managed risk, right? However, probabilities and the idea is that right now we are coming up. We have bearish divergence. We're at a key level of resistance. Everybody is joining into the long party. They all want to go long. Right? So the narrative, in my opinion, is we're returning back down to some of this liquidity down below. Will we get there? Look at that. Big rejection. There was your short opportunity. And that's your decision to make, okay? I'm just talking you through my thoughts and wait, I'm trading this. I'm short right now. I'm short right now. So will we come down further? That's to be determined. We got 4 minutes until market opens. We've had another squeeze to the upside. Okay. Can we continue to come down? I want to see key levels lost. Okay. You can see as I keep moving this trend line up, I want to see this level lost. That would give me confirmation of a reversal. Okay. What does that mean? That means that if this is a more riskier short. Yes, I agree. If we lose this low, then we can look for the back test and then the continuation downwards. That is the safe version of this trade. That is the safe version. But you also have to be able to protect your risk above this high here, and that's a different trade. Okay, that's a very different trade. Still a very good trade. Still a very good trade. But you need to be, okay, you need to be a little bit cautious with the risk, okay? How are we all doing today? Is anybody in any trades? What's going on, Melissa? Good to see you as well. Hope you're doing well. God bless you. Alexandra G. L. Jones in the chat. Aaron, what's going on? Buck, what's going on? If you have enough money in margin, can you ramp up your leverage on BloFin and dig more profits out when you ride when it's hard? Pretty sure, yeah, you can adjust your leverage. The way you are trading seems risky to lose profit. Okay. Okay. It's working for me, my friend. It's working for me. That's okay. My plan every day is to get 1% out of the market. Okay, 1%. And that's what TPs along the way. That's what guaranteeing my stop loss, all that stuff. So you got to have a plan. You got to execute the plan, right? And that's what I've been doing for quite some time now. And it's worked out for me. And hopefully it can work out for you, man. Hopefully it can work out for you. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I love some contrarian thoughts all the time. Like, it's no one's ever going to, I'm not right all the time. There's live streams you can see where I do lose, but I lose cheap. That's the thing, is I am cheap as they come. I am a Dollarama trader, okay? I am straight up go to Aldi. I go to Aldi, I don't buy the Kraft peanut butter, okay? I buy the cheap ass peanut butter. I'm sure some people have me blocked as seeing comments. Yeah, man. I just broke 1%. Can I go to sleep? Yeah, take profits, go to sleep. Take profits, go to sleep. We got market open in 30 seconds, guys. I am in big time long, sold above 80% of the position near the last local top. Still got another 20% riding with stop loss. That's beautiful. Good job, TM. GG's to you, man. GG's, TM. GG's. Okay. We got a lower high. Yep. We got a lower high coming in. We want to see this low broken, right? We want to see this low broken. Low broken. Low broken. We want to see low broken, okay? It's like a cheap LeBron James, a LeBroken James. Look at this. Rolling over, baby. Oh, break that low, man. Buyers coming in. We should almost schlong this thing. Let's go for a little schlongy dong. Roll over. Roll over. I mean, this trend has held for a long time, man. This is a long time trend. And don't want to give up easily. It just wants to chill. Break it, baby. Break it. No, man. It doesn't want to break it. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alex, so crypto, confirm your plan. Read up. Read where? Check Sui, please. Is that no? We're not here for Sui. Can't sleep. I have to go to work. Paul, that's okay, man. Thank you for working where a lot of people don't work. So I used to work that 9 to 5 and trade all the time, man. Carpenter life. Can we get those likes up, please? Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're aiming for 110 today. We crushed 100 yesterday. Retail sales, man. This is Chop City. This is Chop City. This is why you pay yourself in an environment like this. You got to pay yourself. Chad Wicks Racing. Look for my name. Alex has a plan. Plan is to move to the USA and talk in a southern accent. We're Canadian here. Buy the natural organic peanut butter. Peanuts are close to the ground and have all the pesticides. Natural sugars are better than added sugar. You aren't just buying for you anymore. Oh, here we go. We're pushing. We're pushing yet again. We do, Dave Digital, we do eat the natural peanut butter, my friend. I think it's absolutely disgusting, but we do eat the natural peanut butter. That is what Mrs. Otter has done to me. She has definitely pushed the natural peanut butter in my direction. Oh, man, this is ugly price action. We got market open. No real decision. Look at the push on Dixie. Okay, this is different. This is bearish. We got a push on the Dixie. NASDAQ topping out. Okay. NASDAQ topping out. We got the push on Dixie suggesting a little bit of bearishness. NASDAQ topping out here. What did the S&P do for the open here? S&P gapped up, which naturally means it wants to come back down to fill that gap. Ooh, can we come back down here? Looks like Bitcoin's rolling over. A little push to grab some liquidity. Break that low. Break that low, man. Yes, there's the break of the low. Okay, we are in profits, laughing all the way. Haha. So now you're looking for the retest of this trend line. This will be the next trade, right? This will be the next opportunity now that we've broken the low. Okay, we have not broken like more of a macro low, which would be like something like this. Okay, we haven't broken this, but we have broken a low just now. So this is very nice. We'd be shorting the tops. We'd be looking for longs. Okay, so where are we looking for longs? We're at standard deviations right now. VWAP's coming into the market. Let's see if we do have any kind of... Okay, we got some order blocks down below here. We definitely have liquidity down below in here, right? We definitely have liquidity down below in here. So that might be a long target. Okay, that might be a long target. Remember, we're looking bullish in the afternoon. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right here. 59,000, baby. 59,000. Looking to take out at this liquidity. See if we can take out another 50% here. Push, Bitcoin. Push a little bit more. You got it. You got it. 59,000. A little bit more, baby. Okay, hitting that liquidity zone just now. Looking for follow through. Can we get follow through? Looking for another TP right in here. Looking for follow through. There it is. Come on. Push, Bitcoin. Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. Don't be a dick for a tick. And take a little bit off now. Okay, another TP has been hit. Look at that. Roll, Bitcoin. Roll, baby. Congratulations. GG's to everybody who got short with me this morning. Making your own decisions. Never financial advice, but we be winning. We be winning this morning. GG's to everyone who got short. Stop loss to entry. Who gives a bleep? We'll let this one run till we get to the 382. I plan on closing this down at 382 if we get there, okay? We can now look for a schlong. Let's look for a schlong, baby, in the opposite direction. Oof, we 2 for 2 this week. Monday, Tuesday, we be crushing it. GG's to all you guys. I'm going with the 50. I'm going with the 50 basis points. That's what I'm going with. I think my idea. Okay, now here's your short opportunity. Are you ready for this, guys? My ideas with the rate cuts is they got to start big and go small. So if they start big and go small, they're tapering. They're tapering, okay? If they go small and then big, to me, that spells danger. That spells danger. That spells danger. That spells danger. See, like, if they're going to go like this, and then they're going to go beep, 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 and then 50, and then beep, 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 I don't think this is going to sit well with people. I think if they just go boop, and then they go boop, 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 like a stair step after the initial, right? When they raised interest rates, they went 75, then they went 50, and then they went 25, right? They stair stepped it. They stair stepped it. I typically use leverage size 40 to 50x leverage, depending on conditions. Sometimes I'll crank that thing up to 75, depending on the conditions on the market. Right now, I need a little bit more wiggle room with stop loss and margin. So I've been down to 50 to 40x leverage. And leverage is just there so I don't have to hold so much on my trading account. When I started trading, I started on FTX and lost some money on that exchange because FTX, right? So for me, I'm very cautious to the amount of dollars I keep on an exchange. So I typically want to keep only 10K on an account on the exchange, and then I use leverage to supplement for the extra money, okay? And that's how I use leverage. I think leverage can be very misconstrued. It needs to be a tool, okay? It's something that you use in order to maximize your dollars that you don't have, but it has to coincide with your stop loss, okay? You can't be 75x leverage and trying to risk $200 up here to make 800 over here, but then you go your stop loss is so damn tight for your $200, okay? You need to make sure that you've defined your amount you're willing to lose per trade. That is, Kyle talks about that. I'll talk about that, but the most important thing is what is your lunch money? You're going to school, and if you're going to get beaten up by the bully, how much are you willing to lose per trade? Okay, you need to define that. Then you can look to capitalize on that. And this is going to be dependent on market conditions. Okay, are you taking profits early? Are you putting stop loss to entry? Okay, but you need to define this. This is going to be your lunch money. And if Sniper's Nightmare is going to your school, you know he's going to take your money 20% of the time. Okay, so you got to be sure to protect yourself against the bullies of the market. Okay, and that's what I like to tell you here, is that this is going to be your lunch money, and then this is your profits. Okay, this is like you got a sale and you were able to buy 100 cookies in the cafeteria rather than 10. Okay? What are inflation rates as of now? So inflation data depends on what website you're on. If you're on Trueflation, it's about 1%. But right now, the inflation rate right now, do you want core or do you want the regular inflation, because right now inflation they're saying is at 2.5%, which to me is I don't I don't believe it for 1 second. Right? I don't believe it for 1 second. They say it's at 2.9%. Right? We got all the way up to 9, I believe, in June. All the way up to 9 in June. That's wild. So it's been hovering between 3% and 4% right now. They're saying. That's what they're saying. I'm still waiting on the retest on the 15-minute 6-1A as lower high before I enter a short. So there was a little wick test in here that you could have taken. You see the wick test, but that's a little risky. Okay, so like I said, that was the next trade, was right here. You gotta, go on your 1 minute here. You can see you could have got in here. That's retesting the highs here as well. So if you're looking to get in here, the retest of the previous high would be your. So you'd be looking for this high here, and that would have been a perfect entry. Okay. That's how you would have re-entered to this, retesting up here. You didn't get up to your trend line, but you retested previous highs. Look at this, baby. Dump it, baby. Dump it, baby. Look at that. Grabbing that liquidity down below now. Right? Next target's 382. GG's, everybody who took the short. Let's go. Let's go, my guys, my gals, all of you people out here. Thank you guys for being here. Absolutely crushed it today, man. Absolutely crushed it today. Whoever long in that top, man, I'm sorry to hear it. I'm sorry to hear it. Oh, man. We got the 200 coming in. Says, yeah, we got the 200. I was selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours for bullshit pay. Wish my life away. It's a damn shame. Oh, man. Nice rollover, baby. People are going to be very upset with their longs. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you that. We got 93 people in here now. I guess I scared some people off by giving them the trade. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Oh, thank you guys for being here and supporting me. Come over in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Good times. Good times. Now we're looking for longs, baby. Let's look for longs. Okay, we know we're in this, baby. We know we're in this puppy. That's okay. We'll put this over to the side here. Are you live every day at the same time? Yeah, I'm live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't trade Wednesdays because I have an appointment on Wednesdays that I go to every morning. But giving them too much syrup there, Robert Jones. We'd be cooking, right? Absolutely. Too much maple syrup for them, man. They can't handle the truth. Yeah, I don't know if I like that low. Let's see. Let's see this low here. Let's see this low here. There. Let's see. This looks nice in here. VWAP's all the way down here. More 10. Thank you for live trading with us, Alex. Thank you, bro. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being here. God bless you. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce. This could be a bull div here. This could be a bull div here. A very ugly bull div. Okay, very ugly. They're trying to get people going short late now. Okay, S&P is flat, pushing. So Bitcoin pushed overnight. Let's not forget that. Bitcoin pushed overnight. So the S&P pushing right now it makes sense. But NASDAQ's rolling over quite aggressively here. Bearish divergence on the NASDAQ here, as you can see. Okay, so NASDAQ looking to come back. And, there's a big gap down here for NASDAQ. Bitcoin, big push. Okay, big Bitcoin, big push. I would like to get long in this 382 box. That's the idea so far. This is the idea. We wait for a reaction on price down in this area. Okay? That's where I'm waiting for the long. For now. This to me makes sense because of liquidity in here. We got volume in here. So if I pull volume just across here, we can see there is a chunk of volume in here. We pull up our key volume areas of the entire range. Let's see what that gives us here. So we pull up that. And it's lower. It's lower. My God. It's lower. I'm coming up to a key volume level as we speak right now. And got a big gap in here where we can look to fill. Bouncing off this volume here, we've lost support here. So now, if you are looking for a short, okay, so we're looking for the long over here. We're in a short from up top, okay? Now, if you're looking for, this is how I would do it. I'm waiting for significant lows to be put in wherever we get to. Then I'm looking for swing high to swing low, retest 618, and continuation down. Okay, so that would look like this. You go swing high. Why am I going from this high and not the other high? Anybody answer that question? Because this is where we had we had a lower high. This is where the move started, okay? This is a little trick I use with fibs. I'm not pulling it from this high up here. I'm pulling it from this high over here because the move started from this down, okay? It didn't start from here. It swang up. This was the end of the uptrend. Then we started our downtrend here. Bang. Okay, so from here to here is our retracement level. Okay. Then we pull this from swing high to swing low. We draw a box. We get a nice little box here, which matches up quite nicely with our trend line. Okay, so we got confluence, right? Red box here. Now, if this low changes, we need to change our box. Okay. And that's going to help you. So if you are looking to get back into a short, this will be my sell wall. Okay. Otherwise, this is just aggressive and down. Okay. Stupid commercials. Yeah, maybe I take those commercials off. I'll take those commercials off. I just found we get less people in here if I take the commercials off, and like it's a new channel. I mean, we only have 3,500 subs. So I just try to standard deviation model here. So we got standard deviations. These are the ones I use: the 2, the 2.5, the 3, and the 4. Okay. Okay. I think it's going to retest 6040, 60,400. Absolutely. Absolutely. Use the Brave browser. Yes, that is a good trick. That is a good trick. Yeah, just screenshot that, Ron Johns. Darren Does Things has ad block on Chrome. You don't need it. See? This is a significant. So now we see that this is a significant high. So I will track momentum now. Okay. This is my momentum tracker. This will tell me when to get out of my position. Okay. So as we work down here, boop, 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 right? If we break this, I'm looking for this and then I'm out. Okay. We'll see. Push, baby. 58.7. Final take profit. 58.7. 58.7. We'll front run it. Always front run your take profits. Okay. If your take profit's 700, take it to 720. Okay. If it's the opposite direction, front run it by $20. You want to guarantee your fills and you want to use limit orders. You want to maximize your profits. That's how you do it. Okay? Make sure you're front running your TPs, right? Front running your TPs. Looking for 720 here. We'll see if we can continue to roll over. We're at a key level of support, okay? So this could be a bounce level as well. You can see we're getting a little bit overextended here on our momentum wave. Like, I'm expecting some sort of bounce here. So this can change. Let's just be patient. Look to the left confluence. Okay, so let's look to the left and find some confluence. Let's pull a fixed range volume profile here, right? So look at that. Shelf of volume here. So that's going to be a big bounce level here. And we also banging our heads at the lower bounce level here. So that take profit, now that we're looking, right? Look to the left confluence. What do we see here? Is that this may be a bit early. So let's look at this shelf in here. It's 767. So it can bring up this thing to 767. We don't want to be greedy. We've already made lots of money off of the short trade. So we can take our final TP all the way down to 767. Okay, matching it up with the highs here and the volume node here, right? Not to be greedy. Okay, just to be in sync with what the market's going to give us, right? This can roll all the way over to who knows where. But for me, I told you guys 1% a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, 1% a day keeps the doctor away. I mean, we could bounce from here, and that's fine too. That's fine. My stop loss is now at 59,200, guaranteeing profits all the way down, 59,200. Stop loss is down in here now, 59,200-ish. Yeah. And that's it. We wait, and we've set our traps. We identify the trend. We identify where we're at and take advantage of price action, right? Take advantage of this. Stalling it out, retail wants to long this. Let's face it, right? Everybody want to be crypto face, right? When crypto face is long down here, he's like, whatever, you guys can press buy all you want. I'll take my 30K off the table and guarantee a win here, right? Why are we longing up here? There's no reason. After all this, there's no sense in longing this. That's called FOMO, or that's called just wanting to be in a trade. Right? That doesn't make any sense to me. Why you would try to be longing this. This is just, it's a ripper. It's a Jack the Ripper all the way up. Jack the Ripper all the way up. It's 9:54. We didn't get to our like goal today. We only got to 90. We only got to 76 likes. Maybe I asked too much. I think I asked too much for the likes today. That's okay. I won't ask anymore. Yeah, I have YouTube Premium as well. I mean, I can't stand ads, so. Losing the support here. Coming down. All right. I'm going to go have breakfast with my family. I'm going to take off 75% of that right now. I'm taking off 75% of it right now. I'll let the rest ride, okay? I'm going to let the rest ride. There it is, a nice 40% gainer, okay? I'm going to go have some nice breakfast with my newborn son. He's going to be a month tomorrow. Gonna be a month tomorrow. That's amazing. We'll let the rest of it ride. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Another one. They should call me DJ Khaled. No, I'm joking. We crushed it this morning. That was awesome, my friends. Tomorrow is going to be the day of all days, rate cuts, okay? We'll have our decision tomorrow. We'll see how the market reacts. It's always an honor and a privilege hanging out with you guys. Hang out with us in the Discord. Come over there. Say hello. We'd love to have you. We crushed it this morning. Congratulations, GG's on all your trades. God bless you guys. I will see you guys in the Discord. And I guess we'll have to go tomorrow, too. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.